Hey guys, it's me Stace. Today we're using the Brothers Scan & Cut machine to make these oh so cute little Munster treat containers. Aren't they adorable? We have a little Frankenstein, a little Munster, and a vampire. Open them up and then you can see I have a little bit of candy corn on the inside. Alright, let's go to the computer and we will get started. Here we are at the computer. I'm already logged into the Canvas Workspace. I'm also using a desktop version. The very first thing you see is this Canvas Project Pattern Collection window. The project we're making is on this screen, but if you can't find it here, go to the very top and click your cursor inside that search box and type in the word Munster. Then click on Enter, and it should come up Munster Candy Sleeves. I'm going to click on that. This will bring up a preview. You see it has mat A, mat B, and mat C, and each one of these mats is for each one of the different Munsters. So the orange one is for the Munster here, the green one is for the Frankenstein, and our purple one is for the bat. I'm going to click on mat A. You'll see a process. I'm going to minimize this. So now it's inside my workspace area. Now you can see the actual Munster sleeve is about 12 inches tall. I do want to resize this so I'm able to cut it out on an 8.5 by 11 piece of cardstock. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to my upper left hand corner and make my mat a little bit larger. Alright, so all I want to do is take all the pieces and put them on top of the orange layer. But if you want to resize one thing, you have to resize everything so it all fits together the right way. So I'm going to get all my pieces and put them on top of that orange layer. Okay, they're all there. Now I'm going to take my mouse and highlight everything. Make sure it's all selected. On the right hand side toolbar, the second option down is your edit button. I'm going to click on that and we can see the size here. Its actual size is 11.3. And I'm leaving the maintain aspect ratio box checked. That's very important. And change the height of this to be 10.5 and then click on enter. So now it's sized for the paper size I want to use. Now I'll just take all these pieces and just group them by color. So I have the white in the upper right hand corner. I can do the green in the lower left hand or the lower right hand corner. Do my red about the 5-inch mark. Oh, wrong one. Put that one back. Grab the red piece at about the 5-inch mark, and I'll do my black piece down here. So I can load one mat and do one project. So I'm going to go to the upper toolbar, click on File, and choose Export, and then transfer this to my machine. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to do the same thing for all the boxes. I'm going to cut them all out to go to the table, and we'll put the boxes together. Alright, we are back. All of our Munsters are cut out. So we are first going to work on the Frankenstein one. Alright, so just go ahead and crease on all the score marks. I'm going to go both directions. Alright, and the part that has the cutout here is the front. So we're going to work on this side, on the very top. Take this piece, and you'll notice there's two little score marks right there. And we're going to put that just like that. So when you flip it over, it's going to show us teeth. Let's grab our glue. I'm using the Verdi Art glue. And you want to glue all the way around, but not the teeth. We're going to put that right up here. So this is on the inside of our box. Oh, he's so cute. I'm going to flip them over and grab my other one so I can look at that one as I put this one together. All right, then we have his hair. This would be really fun for a kid's classroom party. I mean, they're super easy to make. And even the kids can probably help you put them together. All right, let's grab his eyes. Put one here. And I'm just going to put like a little dot of glue right here on the eyes for that little black piece. Hold it down there. I don't have any fingernails to help me along here. There we go. Okay, that looks pretty cute. Alright, so these things are going to go on the inside. Just a little bit of glue on the end piece. And on this one as well. And you can put this scar anywhere you want it. I'm going to put it down here at the bottom. And I'm going to bring in a piece of scrap paper. And what I'm going to do is just draw a line of glue. And then just dip this in it. And then dip it off of it. Okay. And I'm going to put that right down here at the bottom. How cute is that, right? So to close it, you're going to take these two little things. That's why I don't want to glue them little flaps down, see? You're going to take those and just push them in them two little holes. That's already there for you. And then once you're in there, just open them up and he'll stay closed. How cute. All right, let's work on the vampire next. And again, I'm going to fold the score marks both directions, just makes it easier. Okay, so the same idea with the vampire. Again, we have this piece here. That's going to go just like that. So when you flip it over, it shows his teeth. These are absolutely adorable. And even though they're monsters, they're really fun and cute monsters. They're not them big old scary ones. Okay, flip them over and do the front side of them. Just lining it up at that top of the score mark. And we have his eyes. And you can certainly make this more fun and use googly eyes if you want to. Again, I'm just going to put a little dot right there and one there. Okay, then this one on this side. There we go. All right, we're going to open them up. So now we're on the inside. Take these pieces here. I'm just going to put glue on the fat part there. Okay, and again, the same idea. Open the flaps up, fold it over, and then push them through. There we go. Look how cute that is. All right, now we have the last one, which is our monster. And I did size these down, as you've seen. So I was able to put them on a piece of 8.5 by 11 cardstock. All right, so we have that guy. So again, let's work on this part first. Okay, so we're gonna open that up. Now this is gonna go like this. So you're gonna glue all this down except for the teeth. And the teeth are gonna go through, or not the teeth, the horns. They're going to go through those two little cutouts right there. And then you can glue it down. See? So now his horns stick up. So fun. All right, do his mouth. That is done. His one eye. And this one. This is absolutely adorable. So, so cute. And this mouth goes down there. Open it up and put his arms on the inside. I mean, you can easily whip out a few of these in a matter of minutes. All right, and the same idea, open these guys up, bring it forward, and then just line them up in there. And when they're in there, just push them open and he stays shut. And let's grab our, actually we're gonna do the Munster one. I'll show you how to do the candy. All right, I don't have individually wrapped candy, so I have these little bags. And I have candy corn over here. I would put like a little individual snack size bag of like M&Ms or that kind of thing versus how I'm doing it, but just to show you. All right, so a little bit of candy corn in there. I'm gonna close my bag up. Now my bag, as you can see, is too big. So what I want to do is take some double-sided tape and I'm gonna put it on the bag itself. And then fold the zipper part, fold that over on top of that so it stays, so it makes it shorter. Then take another piece of double-sided tape. If you're using like an individual bag of M&Ms or whatever, you can just take a little bit of tape on the back and just stick them to that. So now my tape is exposed. I'm going to take this and just put it right here. Isn't that cute? So now we have it filled with candy. Again, I would probably use the individual bags. But how super cute are they? I mean, there's the Munster. Then we have, oh, this is not a vampire, it's a bat. A bat, Stacy, it's a bat. And then we have Frankenstein. So a Munster, a bat, and Frankenstein. So cute. All right, there you have it, our Brother Scan-A-Cut project for today. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.